The essential understanding for this lesson is two-dimensional shapes have attributes that define them and make them different from one another. Previously, students used attributes, such as the number of sides and the number of vertices, to define two-dimensional shapes. In this lesson, students extend this work as they differentiate between attributes that do and do not define a shape. This problem is key because it requires students to consider which attributes define a triangle and which attributes do not. Listen and look for students who say that the figures are not the same kind of shape because they are different colors and sizes. Remind these students that two-dimensional shapes can be defined by the number of straight sides and vertices. Have students count the number of straight sides and vertices each figure has. Then, ask them to tell what these figures all have in common. Listen and look for other students who say that the figures are all the same kind of shape because they are all closed figures with 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. They may even name the figures as triangles. Listen for some of these students to point out that the shapes have different colors, sizes, and position, but all of them are triangles. These students understand that two-dimensional shapes have some attributes that define them, such as the number of straight sides and vertices. They also have other attributes, such as color, size, and position, that do not define what shape they are. Understanding the attributes that define two-dimensional shapes will help students create the shapes.